In a forest filled with tall grass and singing flowers lived a tiny ant named Tenna. Tenna was very small, but she had a very big heart. She spent her days exploring the mossy roots of the ancient trees and searching for sweet crumbs to share with her family. One sunny afternoon, Tenna grew thirsty. She marched down to the edge of the great blue river to take a tiny sip. But the river was moving very fast today. Suddenly, Tenna's feet slipped on a wet pebble. Splash! She tumbled into the cold, rushing water. Tenna struggled to keep her head above the waves. "Help!" she cried, but her voice was as small as a whisper. High above in the emerald leaves of a willow tree, Sora the bird was resting. Sora heard the tiny splash and looked down with her keen, bright eyes. Sora knew she had to act quickly. She reached out and plucked a sturdy, broad green leaf from her branch. She took flight, hovering just over the churning water, and dropped the leaf right next to the struggling ant. Tenna grabbed onto the edge of the leaf with all her might. She pulled herself up onto the green boat and took a deep breath. The leaf floated gently toward the shore, carrying her away from the dangerous currents. When the leaf touched the soft mud of the bank, Tenna scrambled onto dry land. She looked up at the willow tree and saw Sora watching her. "Thank you, Sora," Tenna called out. "I will never forget your kindness." Sora chirped a happy song in return. A few days later, a hunter named Silas entered the forest. He walked very quietly on his heavy boots, carrying a large woven net. Silas was looking for a beautiful bird to catch, and he spotted Sora resting peacefully in the sun. Silas moved closer and closer, holding his breath. He didn't see Tenna watching him from the grass. Tenna saw the hunter raising his net towards Sora. She knew she had to save her friend, just as Sora had saved her. Tenna ran as fast as her 6 legs could carry her. She climbed onto Silas's boot and bit his ankle as hard as she could. "Ouch!" Silas cried out. He jumped in surprise and dropped his net onto the forest floor. The noise startled Sora, and she quickly flew up into the high branches where Silas couldn't reach her. She looked down and saw her tiny friend, Tenna, safe in the grass. Sora realized that even the smallest friend can be the biggest hero. One good turn deserves another.